Wetin dey for dis bunny sef?
Yeminapo, e be me mo.
Better day. How you go take know? E simple now. Na on top Ibani hour for dis station every Monday and on Thursday you go know say better day bunny, better culture.
To my dear Mangangabara.
Better people.
To my beat to mini.
Better food.
To my beat fear.
Better language.
To my megger.
Better life.
To my beat Zuma.
Better future.
To my ibi to mnikiri torukubu.
Plus better gifts and better prizes for everybody.
What to my dear prayer na kinemangba perem.
Na every Monday and Thursday 5 o'clock mere on top your Kajadli Kaja station 94.1 Wazobia FM. You go dey enjoy everything on top Ibani hour. Make you say for no say better day bunny because make I tell you true.
Yeminapo,
Ibi mi mo.
Ibani hour. You answer me. When I talk Ibani hour, you go say Ibani hour. You know if you teach her to sing Ibani hour.
Ibani hour.
Hey, she go dey sing off key. That key Z Ibani hour.
Ibani hour.
Hey, Jesus, no singer again. Only me go sing. Abeg, if you sabi sing for us, make you follow me sing. Ibani hour. No single. Ibani hour. Ibani hour.
Ibani hour.
Yay! Don't start up. Yeminapo.
Oh, Sibo.
And we don't come. We don't come today. We talk about carry song, take enter the matter. But as he did, like say Elimbi, she not the fee sing. Maybe
I know Sabi sing.
It's not the part of your talent. I know the things where you Sabi do. If that to say make you bend down, take waist dance now. As Bonnie person where you be now, I trust you for that one. Country people, my name is Mr. D. Una still a surprise say I dey here today. If you say enter Bonnie, you go know say better day.
To come back, no go hungry.
Make Lady J still dey there. They enjoy herself. They enjoy herself.
Come back.
Hey, come back with the beggar. Come back with the beggar. She not agree. She talk say make we enjoy this week. Next week she go come back, come enjoy herself. Country people, this na that time where we dey take enjoy ourselves. Where we dey call Ibani hour. My name na Mr. D, and I still get with me my sister
Elimbi, Yeminapo, Osimo, Onimimni, Nigeria LNG, Anime Madibo Waprinye. And adobe MC, okporo finish wadi pa boprinye po mingbeni.
Okay, she don't talk that way you dey talk. I know even the thing now, it be like say today you get the way the strength and energy fit dey your body. You dey enjoy yourself.
I dey enjoy myself.
You chop fish.
No, anytime when I fall in studio, body dey sweet me. And on top Ibani hour, body dey always sweet me.
You the question I ask you never answer me. You chop fish?
Yes, I chop fish.
You bring fish for me?
Mr. D, I don't know.
You sell fish. Now they call am sell fish. You sell fish. Anybody wey not they give person so they call am wait
selfish person.
We don't sell fish today. Country people, we don't come now. Ibani hour we dey. When this selfish when she sell fish now they pain me. Make her go take small music. More take enjoy our body. Make my mind come off for inside this thing where she dey talk. But when we come back, another matter, it don't enter ground. And this particular matter wey don enter ground today, e pinch me for where for dey pain me well. E pain me. E pain me. E pain me. Oh, I no go cry. Radio never sweet me like this before.
Ibani hour.
E dey sweet my body.
Stop! Oh, why you dey dirty everywhere now? True. Hey. My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, e get different waste wey we human beings then they produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste dey, organic waste, and one way we suppose they use again and again, wey dem dey call recyclable waste and hazardous and dangerous waste. What do we go do? Now to stop and me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number 1, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person where they throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
We don't come back, we don't come. Be say we don't come now on top Ibani hour you dey. We be say na NLNG, that is Nigeria LNG. Now them sponsor am, bring am come for all of us. Make for they take the jollificate, enjoy ourselves. and to even get better gifts them. Today we go announce winners of people wey collect our gifts them from the question wey we ask on Monday. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. D, and I still get with me inside studio
Ellen B.
Now my sister wey dey make belle dey sweet me only say today she selfish. Okay, make we enter the matter where the matter for dey pay me. You know why I ask you whether you bring fish for me? You don see me since we don dey like this, wey we dey waka about, wey maybe when me and you, Lady J, all of us waka comot, you don see me chop for outside?
No, I never see you chop for
you
outside.
Never ask yourself why I not dey gree chop for outside, especially when we go chop fish. I no dey gree put hand. Now because when I small, e get things wey people dey do, and they still dey do until now. You know why?
No.
Na left hand daddy.
No, I no say na left, but so na the reason why you know they like to dey eat.
Na the thing because anytime I carry hand like this take chop for outside, or people see me dey use my left hand, wahala happen. They go begin look me like oyibo pepper.
I know as that kind thing dey be. I know as e dey be.
So I talk am.
I know as e dey be.
Today where I get the opportunity, I go bring the matter come here.
Chai, and this one come concern you well.
E pain me. This one I wan know. Wetin why e be say people go begin carry eye dey blink like say pepper enter their eye once they see person
dey use left hand.
Wetin we do? No be God create us.
Na hand, all hand na hand na.
Nothing wey I fit take my right hand do.
All hand na hand.
Pass to use take clean something. Nothing wey I dey use my right hand for. If I wan chop, na my left. If I wan write, na my even my own. If I wan chew food, na even for inside my left hand side of the mat I dey chew am. So wetin be the reason wey be say people when they see person wey dey use left, they go carry eye like this, open like full light, boom, they go begin look.
No, they feel say you no get manner.
Hey.
Or maybe person dey form.
I no understand. With all the school where we go, with all eye wey don tear, wey don open reach everywhere, why e be say even till now, the one wey dey pay me for the matter, you never even hear am finish? If I mistakenly enter taxi, I come out, maybe they rush, I can't carry money with my left give driver. Driver wey don wan give you change be right, he go change the money back to your left give you. Or if he no wan change am back, he no go collect money, he go tell me to throw am. He go throw the money like say dirty dey the hand, like say the hand dey smell. Now you fit create finger. This one pepper me.
No, e go pain you well. Now I don notice am.
Make we waka enter street, make we hear wetin people dey talk, because this matter. Sure.
No, e serious.
Sure. It's serious.
We need to address am well.
I don't know. Many people dey forbid left hand. If you use left hand give them food, they will reject am. I ever hear say Reverend Father use left hand give people Holy Communion, they reject am. I don't know why. For me, they are not saying anything bad inside though. Whether left hand or whether right hand, I beg.
Now how we take grow, when we small, people we senior us, people we we don't do the world before we come. Some of them they talk say if we use our left hand do anything, say too good. So if you use your left hand give person wey senior you something, they go feel slap you for head, say say na disrespect, or say this the way you do that in bad.
No. I no get idea, but na dey sabi why people dey carry blink. I person wey be like they use their left hand, they do everything. I want traditionalist gang.
Okay, it varies, because for some places, for religion, most especially including Christianity, most people believe say the right hand of God na the favored hand, and the left hand of God na for judgment. And in some cases, let's say in cleanliness, they believe say the right hand na wetin you say they perform eating, na wetin you say they eat, na wetin you say they do, all those things wey dey hygienic now. Then the left hand na hand wey you say they do all those things wey like personal care. For example, when you dey urinate, when you dey defecate, all those things na wetin you dey use the left hand dey do. So most people feel say left hand no good, and left hand dey disrespectful for some people. So the things just vary, and for some people too, they feel say the devil dey left-handed. So now why some people wey be say people give them something with left hand, they feel it's disrespectful, they say they judge you. So it just varies according to wetin you believe. So na im be wetin I get to talk.
For this our African setting, they believe say person wey dey use left hand take dey collect something or give out something or even eat kpakpa, say the person no get respect and say mama no train am well. you know say they feel say for you to dey use left hand, your parents or your person wey born you suppose all correct you tey say that one no follow. You know, they no believe this our oyibo lifestyle wey be say they know say pikin dey fit born am right and left hand dey work are the same way. They go feel say parents supposed to correct am. Meanwhile, they no know say sometimes even from belle, some children as they born dem come outside na left hand they take dey feed, dey carry, take do anything wey they wan do. Our parents no wan hear that one o, especially if na African parents come Nigeria so. They go talk say the mama no train the pikin well and the pikin no get respect for im elders.
Una wey talk wetin sweet me, una thank you. Una wey talk the one wey una know, una thank you too. Well, we don hear wetin una talk. Una don talk una mind.
But wait Mr. D, you know say this particular left hand something, e don cause trouble for somebody. You know say me, when I dey talk, I dey like use something wey don happen around me as example.
Your eye don tey for ground, you don see everything.
Because e get one of my friend, this na my own friend though. This na my own friend.
Na fine girl.
Na married woman.
Okay,
she get children. Her first son dey use left hand, dey write. If he wan kick football, na left. Anything wey he wan do, na left. So anytime wey me I go see am, you know the thing dey give her concern. She go come dey like, she don try to correct the pikin, make him use him right hand to dey.
You wan scatter the pikin brain with that o.
To dey right. I come tell am say, but this thing wey you dey do, you know say left as our right hand take connect to our brain, na the same way wey the left hand too dey connected to the left-handed people their brain. You know wetin for school she too she been lady complain somehow, I think, for school. So one day I come still go visit am again. She come dey tell me say this pikin no dey fit write with hand again, he no dey fit write with left again, he no dey fit write with left, he no dey fit write with hand. Now na the confusion. Now I come tell am say because I sure say im teacher as he don already complain to am, she now don dey try to correct the pikin and e don dey affect the pikin. E no good.
Make una leave us.
E no make sense at all.
The way God take create us, so una leave us. And na so the matter be. Abeg, if you see person wey dey use left, na God create am the way he take create you.
Yes.
Even some people dey talk say people wey dey use left, e be like say their brain dey sharp pass una wey dey use right.
Right. No talk.
You know, but you no see me.
No talk.
When you look me and you now, who brain sharp pass? I don't yab you with that.
Man, no talk. I no want talk. I no want talk.
You no want talk. You no want talk.
No, you don't yab me.
No vex.
Okay.
If I want to say no vex for Ibania.
Iganima. Apology accepted.
Iganima.
And ma'am. I don't accept.
Correct. Okay, people. As you don't accept my apology now, make we enter small break.
Yemi Napo. Ibi Mimo.
You dey live for Bonny? Abi na your papa and mama dey there. You get family or party wey dey stay for Bonny? This matter concern you. You don hear about Bonny Community Health Insurance Program BCHIP before? BCHIP na health initiative wey Nigeria LNG dey arrange with Rivers State Government and Bonny Kingdom for everybody wey dey stay Bonny. Indigenous o, non-indigenous o, men o, women o, children, youth and elders. BCHIP go give everybody access to correct health care for shikini money. With this Bonny Community Health Insurance Program, you get access to plenty type of medical service for 1 year after you register. Antenatal, delivery and postnatal care, outpatient and inpatient care, eye care, dental care for your teeth, small surgery, pharmaceutical service, management of serious diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, etc. Go register yourself with 10,000 naira or your family with 54,000 naira. You could enjoy 1 full year of medical service with no additional cost. We make you sharply waka go Bonny Zonal Hospital, Bonny Model Primary Health Center or Finima Health Center. Make you register for BCHIP. You fit even call us now for 0807-771-7198. No allow sickness finish money for your pocket every time you go hospital. Go register today with Bonny Community Health Insurance Program. BCHIP. BCHIP. Quality health care where you fit afford. Stop! Oh, why you dey dirty everywhere now? True? Hey! My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, e get different waste wey we human beings dem dey produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste dey, organic waste, and one wey we suppose dey use again and again, wey dem dey call recyclable waste, and hazardous abi dangerous waste. Wetin we go do? Na to stop am na, and na me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple na. Number 1, no throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person wey dey throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. ask them question because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet my body. Country people, we don't show. We say we don't show like this. As we dey talk, we don't carry waka go enter inside Bonny. Now inside Bonny today, we want take follow person talk. We be correct person. We be midwife. We want talk about maternal mortality. We go soon waka enter. Where we dey for inside Bonny now? We dey in front of the primary health care center for inside Bonny. Now there we go follow Torchlight, the midwife we will go meet. We go follow us talk. Now make we carry waka, make we enter inside, make we go follow her talk. Alright, so we don't enter with that. I don't enter house now. I define who we go follow talk. We go follow us talk. Good afternoon, no.
Good afternoon.
I beg, wetin be your name?
My name is Georgina Wanguma.
Okay, and this not the primary health care center for Bonny. Wetin you dey do? Who you be for this place?
I am the resident midwife.
Oh, correct. Now you say you be the better person wey we suppose follow talk for inside this program. Okay, make we not for waste time. Make we go straight to the matter. We dey want talk about maternal mortality generally. But for people wey not to know, make we start. Wetin be maternal mortality?
Maternal mortality is the rate of death per 10,000 births of a woman that is about to give birth. So every death that is registered against 10,000 live births, that's maternal mortality.
Okay, so when we count 10,000 people, 1, 2, 3 till 10,000, I will come say how many of these people when they born, how many of them die. Now the number we die now we will take the measure the rate of maternal mortality. Okay, if we don't want waste time, if we want to come for Bonny, we now get the information as to the maternal mortality rate we dey for Bonny. We'll start from there first.
For Bonny, generally it is not usually counted for Bonny as the local government. It is counted as a state. Okay. So it is for the entire state that they usually count. So some areas may be high, some may be low, but the high areas could definitely worry the low areas.
Okay, so you get idea of how it be for rivers where we dey. So wetin be the maternal mortality?
I think it's about 80 per 10,000 live births.
80. So you go say that one high or low or how e dey?
Yes, very high.
Let me say we want achieve 0. Maybe nobody dey die when they born.
Well, at least by WHO standard for 2015, they were looking at 20.
Wetin dey actually dey cause this maternal mortality?
It's usually ranked. The number one cause of maternal mortality is postpartum hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage is when the woman just delivered and then she's bleeding, and then we cannot control it. So,
wait to make her, because you know say we dey want talk this make our people wey dey Bonny and every other place we not dey speak big oyibo like this make for they understand. Postpartum hemorrhage na be say when woman born come dey bleed like say blood constantly come off for her body.
We usually have like if it's more than 500 mils, then it's postpartum hemorrhage. So that one is number one. Another one is infection.
Infection. You know, if you speak pidgin small. It's okay. Infection. Which kind of infection?
Infection, general, like infection wey go worry the woman all in body. That kind of infection, another very strong cause wey go make am.
Okay.
The woman fit die.
Where the woman fit carry this kind of infection from? How did they get this infection then?
The most important thing for any person wey don reach to born or he don reach to get belle na to start from pre-conception care. Make woman begin to dey take care of himself before he even get the belle. Because some people different kind of infection dey HIV dey, sexually transmitted infection dey, all this one dey inside this infection wey we dey talk. So
toilet infection sef dey?
Na im be the STI wey we dey talk, the sexually transmitted infection. If they no manage am well, get the ones like syphilis dey pass to the pikin. So that one fit worry the pikin, worry the mama. E fit even make the pikin no come out complete, maybe one hand no go dey or one leg no go dey like that. So these things na things wey be say we as people need to know.
To help us make sure say our children and our mothers them, all of them, they come out alive when they're born. Okay, so for person we wan born, we say maybe he don't just get belle day since person we wan born now, maybe e remain like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. Wetin be your advice wey you go fit give them, say how they go fit avoid make they no get any of these issues them?
Anytime at all wey woman know say e get belle, though e good make she come early, but if she no come early, anytime at all, even if labour don start, make sure say na for skilled birth at ten dant hand na im dey born. Wetin we mean by skilled birth at ten dant na nurses or midwives wey be say dem get experience to take delivery. Dem go fit see these things dem quick manage. Another thing wey dey normally kill women na that one na hypertension. Pregnancy, that one too dey kill fast. So but when the woman come hospital, we for this health center we dey collect anyone wey come at all. When dem come, anytime wey dem come, we start to manage them from that time.
Talking about this hypertension, wetin hypertension, I will feel wan explain that one now to person wey not too dey speak grammar.
Wetin we mean by hypertension na when the blood pressure go up. Okay. Some women they no get am before, but when they come get belle, they will come get that high BP. When they get am like that, e worry too for during labour and even after the woman don born.
Okay, because you get something wey I talk for this program, that time we never carry waka come follow you talk, and wetin happen for my street, we dey hear people dey cry, we run go there, they carry woman, the woman don die. Wetin happen? They say she wan born for house. Me I come dey worry say for this 2020 people still dey try to born for house. That one, that kind thing, e dey okay?
It depend on who dey take the delivery. Sometimes the labour fit don go far, the woman no go fit waka, she no get motor, dey worry. And na when dem come, na you go come know whether this labour you fit do am for health center or we go refer to general hospital. We dey refer plenty. I don get example of one wey come here, she don dey labour since for house 3 days, the water sef don burst, she come. When I check am, I find out say na the pikin hand na im dey go, and with hand we no go fit deliver am. So we come explain to her, she no too understand like that, but we still try explain, me and the doctor, then we come refer am go general hospital. Eventually dem come do am CS there, come deliver both mama and pikin there.
Okay, e get anything, some people dey feel say a woman wey born natural is strong pass the one wey do CS. E get anything, wetin you think about that kind thing?
Me as a health worker, I no see am like that, because wetin I dey see na mama dey alive, pikin dey alive, na be my own. I no dey see am say anyhow wey take born the pikin. For me that one no dey important. Wetin dey important na mama dey, pikin dey. E don reduce maternal mortality for us be that.
Okay, make I enter food matter. E get things wey woman wey get belle fit dey chop wey go fit make am die when e wan born.
No food wey go kill the woman. Just be say food too get im own work wey im dey play, medicine too get their own work wey dem dey play. Some people dey downplay the medicine part, dey face food, while some people dey face food, dey downplay, vice versa. But the important thing na say the two na im dey work. You eat well no mean say you go carry one small cup of tea, carry one tin of milk, pour am put inside. No, eat well na, eat wetin you need, balanced diet at the appropriate proportions wey you need am. No be to eat too much, but when you eat wetin you suppose to eat small, you find out say the woman go come out well. Then take her medicine. I been mention pre-conception care before. If woman know say e don reach time wey im want to born, better make im begin dey take all those routine medicine dem to dey help im body to dey strong while im dey prepare to get the belle, so that when im get the belle, the body sef fit carry am.
Okay, e be like say we still get many things to talk. So some women we dey hear say after a few months when they born they die. Some children say they always say they die, whereas we dey also notice say some women once they born finish they greet hospital bye bye they no come again. How you take see this matter?
The way me I see am be say from inception, if a woman come for an ten atal care, we dey manage them from an ten atal care. Then when they come born too, we go still continue our monitoring. Na for as dem born, we go come begin to still enforce all those things wey we tell dem for an ten atal about family planning, about immunization, about how dem go take look after their pikin, take care of their pikin. We go monitor dem, mama and pikin, until the pikin reach 5 years. Although some of them go still get another belle before the first one reach 5 years, but na so the treatment and the management go continue as we dey look after the woman and the pikin. So na that time now we go fit talk to them, because we dey monitor them when dem born, we dey monitor for infection, we dey monitor for bleeding. We no dey just send them go house like that. And now again we dey also give them pack, say as dem come born we don organize one small thing wey we go dey give them as appreciation say dem born here. So we dey also follow them go house, dey do home visiting, we dey follow them up, check their house environment. If anything wey dem need to adjust, we tell them, we teach them. The health education continue till the pikin reach 5 years for both the mama and the pikin.
That one na correct one. E get anything wey be like challenge wey dey worry una for this work una dey do for here?
Wetin dey worry us for this work pass na ignorance among our clients. One, people come from outside. Bonny na hard to reach area and hard to live area. So a lot of people dey come from outside and a lot of people dey comot. So because of that, you see high level of ignorance make women and even their husbands sef no know wetin dem need for this time as dem get belle. So but with health education as dem dey come during an ten atal, as dem born, during postnatal period, we still dey teach dem. Dem dey hear small small. We dey also ask make their husbands to come follow dem follow this process, so that e get the one wey dem forget, their husband go remind them for house, so that the thing, our care go fit dey good and work go dey easy for us.
Okay, one last thing. B-chip, we dey hear about am, we sef dey talk about am all the time. E dey work for here?
Yes, so B-chip dey work 100% for here. When a pregnant woman come, she go come before the belle reach 3 months. As e reach 3 months, she come register. She go pay the token wey dem dey pay. When she pay am finish, we go look after her from an ten atal, give am medicine. Im go dey here till im born. When im born, im no go pay another money. Im born finish, we don monitor am finish, we don tell am say okay, don reach time wey you go, we give am im medicine, im carry am go.
You feel say this B-chip dey part of reason why more people don dey come hospital to come born now?
One, now money no dey, so for that token wey dem dey pay, for some people e dey affordable, dem go come. Another thing too na awareness, as dem spread the matter reach. Then the most important one na how the woman, how she take born the last pikin. If the last pikin worry her, definitely, and she no come hospital, definitely this one she go run come hospital. She no go gree stay for house again because she know say that last one bin worry her. So this one are the few reasons why few people dey come for the hospital. But for the B-chip, if no be the maternity section, the outpatient section, yes, people dey come well. Then they come, then they full hospital every time.
Okay, this matter we don help us touch light today. I know say go dey make belle sweet many people, because many people don learn things wey they no know before. Wey you don help us touch. Wetin be your name again, abeg?
My name na Wanguma Georgina.
Okay, and na you be wetin you dey do for Bonny?
I dey work for the health center for Bonny. Na maybe the resident midwife.
Okay, and as we waka enter here, we see you follow us talk. We really happy well. We been see one small pikin. Get anybody wey just born inside the healthcare center now?
Na yesterday.
they don't go house. If for good say we see them, make we follow the picking play. Well, we go still see if we touchlight as we dey inside Bonny, they touchlight the matter today. So thank you so much for as you follow us talk this matter. We go show back again to come talk more health things, because as people they take care of themselves for this health center, we go want to know as the matter they go. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet my body.
You dey live for Bonny? Abi na your papa and mama dey there? You get family or party wey dey stay for Bonny? This matter concern you. You don hear about Bonny Community Health Insurance Program BCHIP before? BCHIP na health initiative wey Nigeria LNG dey arrange with Rivers State Government and Bonny Kingdom for everybody wey dey stay Bonny. Indigenes o, non-indigenes o, men o, women o, children, youth and elders. BCHIP go give everybody access to correct health care for shikini money. With this Bonny Community Health Insurance Program, you get access to plenty type of medical service for 1 year after you register. Antenatal, delivery and postnatal care, outpatient and inpatient care, eye care, dental care for your teeth, small surgery, pharmaceutical service, management of serious diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, arthritis, etc. Go register yourself with 10,000 naira or your family with 54,000 naira. You could enjoy 1 full year of medical service with no additional cost. We make you sharply waka go Bonny Zonal Hospital, Bonny Model Primary Health Center or Finima Health Center. Make you register for BCHIP. You fit even call us now for 0807-771-7198. No allow sickness finish money for your pocket every time you go hospital. Go register today with Bonny Community Health Insurance Program BCHIP. BCHIP. Quality health care where you fit afford.
Ibani Hour. Yeminapo. Ibimimo.
Yeminapo. Osimo. Mima Opa. Ibani Hour and Nigeria LNG and me madibo wa praying. Amin gbene wa nye dipa bo prem wa po die benye.
If let's say the thing that they use pass, if say we dey subscribe for R for na language, R for don't finish. R.
Don't make me talk about your language.
Not talking anything. Country people, you don't hear them, so she don't welcome una back because this program na Ibani Hour way NLNG they bring for una.
Yes.
In case you want follow us, relate, you want open your mind, make you tell us as they feel, as they be you. You self follow us talk on top our social media. Them will be Twitter, Facebook, Instagram at
Ibani Hour.
Anywhere where you enter, just put them at Ibani Hour. You go find us there. We say we wait for you. We say we follow this talk. All of us go enjoy ourselves. And you still also fit once. Touchlight us inside WhatsApp, and that WhatsApp number I go give now as they go. Meanwhile, make I just give now. Me no be like say they give doing a long throat. 081-391-86838. Mo sing am. 081-391-86838. I don't tell you anything will be music. You know sabi. Now it be my problem. Boy you sabi dance. How you dey take do?
Now the dance they make me they fit now.
They make you they fit. Okay.
They make me they very casual.
I hear them casual. All right, country people, we don't enter that segment where we they call
know your lingo. You know your lingo, Mr. D. You know your lingo.
If I begin rap,
you just say you know.
If I begin rap, you go enjoy me. Country people, today now me want ask my sister Ellen B. Waiting you go teach me.
I bet you go take am easy.
No, I know it dey very simple.
Okay.
Because anywhere where you go new, one thing where you must learn. Once you don't learn how to greet people, you must learn how you feed the price market.
Yes, that one dey very important.
Because me now, the day when you go decide to carry me go Bonny, I know they come back without fish, and I must to buy big fish. I buy am for chicken money.
Okay.
So today, I wan learn how I go take price something. So I enter now. I don't see the woman. I wan ask her say, how much be this your fish?
How much be this your fish
so,
for Ibani?
Finish. Now wait I wan learn. If you don't teach me now today, I dey wrong. Go Ibani, go learn.
You go wrong, go Bonny. Go buy fish.
Sharp.
You just say you agree cross the river.
Me.
The ocean.
Me. Me.
So for Ibani, if you want buy something like fish now as you talk, you go ask if na woman, you go ask am say, Sisi or Madam. You go ask am say, mi njima onde ipa deraye.
Small. May not lost me. Talk am again.
Madam, mi njima onde ipa deraye.
So make a learn now. Talk am one. Oh yeah.
Mi njima onde ipa deraye.
Or
or you fit still say Minjima.
Wetin be minji?
Minji, this fish.
Okay, which one be fish inside the word now? Inji.
Yes.
So okay, minjima. So this fish.
On there. How much? Ipa derarien. Yes.
Ah, I get this one.
You try.
Talk again.
You try. Minjima. On the ipa derarien. You try.
If you see me for market and you hold fish, no matter which tribe you dey, now wetin I go tell you be say
Minjima on the ipa derarien.
Make we go buy fish. Talk am again.
Minjima on the ipa derarien. Or if you still talk like this, say Minjima ndepa derai. Ndepa derai.
So okay, make I go just one small one. Make I just add them now. We'll still learn later. But if the man can't tell me say this fish now na 10,000, I can't talk say this one it too cost.
Baby, madam, Minjima niyela bam ne.
You don't come rap this one. Talk am slow. Madam.
Minjima. Aniyela bam. No be bam. Aniyela bam. Minjima aniyela bam. It's too expensive.
Minjima aniyela bam.
Aniyela bam. I beg, more no talk. I know they get them.
Hey,
don't spoil my language
but
for me.
The one I don't get, make I get them. May not come spoil my heart. At least even if they still sell expensive, I know give you. So tell me again that one. How much be this your fish? Talk am again.
Minjima on the ipa derarien.
Minjima on the ipa derarien. I know say if I even speak this language, una no go gree sell fish expensive for me again. The thing will come down. Country people, me I don't learn better thing. You don't learn something today. For this one where we learn, so make we dance, enter market, dance, enter market. We go show back.
Stop! Why you dey dirty everywhere now? True? Hey! My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, e get different waste wey we human beings dem dey produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste dey wey dey pollute we land. Organic waste dey cause water pollution, and one wey we suppose dey use again and again wey dem dey call recyclable waste, na im dey cause air pollution. And hazardous dangerous waste, na im dey always full everywhere with dirty. What do we go do? Now to stop and me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple now. Number 1, not throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person wey dey throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, now everybody work. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start it today. Now Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Radio never sweet me like this before.
Ibani Hour.
It is sweet my body.
Like this, the show don't come. We give you now one ogbonge quiz question last week. We tell you now, make una tell us when they start the Ibani Kingdom, what we can call Bonny Kingdom now. Country people, we look inside our Facebook, we look inside our Instagram, we look inside the WhatsApp, we even look inside Twitter. It be like say people not to know that history. So as a day like this, we go hold our gift, we'll carry them hold this week because nobody get them correct. But make I tell you now the correct information. So the correct information be say Ibani Kingdom, what would they call Bonny Kingdom now? They start them for 13th century. Yes, 13th century. And this is the information where we get according to www.ruler.org. That is, and one book where they call Chronicles of Grand Bonny, where one ogbonge man where they call E.J. Alagua and Ada Donye Fumbo, where they carry right arm. I don't hear them now. In case you want to challenge this authority where we talk, you don't hear where you go. Go those places, make you go find them, make you know say you never know am. We'll go hold our gift today. Next week we'll give you another quiz. If you sabi am, you go chop later our gift. Oh yeah, make we carry waka.
Stop! Why you dey dirty everywhere now? True? Hey! My people, the way we dey manage our dirty for this our island, na big problem. See, make I tell you, e get different waste wey we human beings dem dey produce, especially for this Bonny Island. Solid waste and liquid waste dey, organic waste, and one wey we suppose dey use again and again, wey dem dey call recyclable waste and hazardous abi dangerous waste. Wetin we go do? Na to stop am na, and na me and you go solve this matter. How we go take do am? It's simple na. Number 1, no throw away nylon anywhere up and down. Number 2, make you dey use your paper bag again and again. Clean your environment all the time. If you see any person wey dey throw away dirty anyhow for Bonny Island or for where you dey, stop am. Ask them question, because to get a better and sweet environment, na everybody work o. No wait till tomorrow. Make you start today. Na Nigeria LNG send us make we tell you say make you clean your environment.
Like this show e don dey waka twele e wan end. But before we finish am, country people, we go tell you one thing wey you no know before, wey you need to know. One thing wey you no know before, wey you need to know. No forget say anytime wey we give you any quiz or question or anything wey dey your mind on top this our program wey we Ibani Hour, you fit follow us on top our social media dem. Make you follow us yarn, make we relate like manchi to manchi, like madam to madam, like sisi to uncle, like uncle to bobo. Everybody make we together dey follow dey relate. You go follow us on top our Facebook at
Ibani Hour,
on top our Twitter
at Ibani Hour,
on top our Instagram nko
at Ibani Hour. And
in case na WhatsApp dey sweet your belle, you want drop out your voice make we for hear wetin you dey think about matter, make you go for our WhatsApp, drop us message or drop voice note on top 081 391 86838. I will talk am again, 081 391 86838, and there we dey.
Ibani Hour.
My sister, before we go, I wan make you help me tell my Ibani people some things. You don ready?
I don ready.
Let me tell you, say, my people.
Yeminapu.
I love una.
Obelema.
We love una.
Wami no belema.
In short, we love everybody wey dey from Bonny.
One kini man gba okoloma bo sai 2 minutes man gba belema.
As I dey here now,
I mean give me Emma.
Una go fit give me wife for Bonny?
No, me I know.
You don see something. You no wan talk that one. You no wan talk that one. You no wan talk that one. So as I dey like this, you no wan give me any.
Me I go repeat am na. Na husband me I go talk. You na wife you dey fine. Me na husband I go talk. You understand? Na make I no wan talk am.
You don see something.
I no wan talk am.
Okay, as you don talk am, oya teach me how to talk am.
Okay, you go say Yeminapo. Okoloma boyema. Omninata do eperebe.
I should talk am. Na so now I want to talk am. I don't get you. I get you. Country people, now here we go end the program for today. Make una way day from Bonny when I begin think am. Una fit send the picture of the wife or the wife number. Put for our WhatsApp. Producer they go give me. I mean I no go give me. Una go give me. Country people, now here we end the program today. Ellen B, she don't do well today. She don't teach me how to price fish. I don't nearly forget that. Remind me again.
Minjima on there ipa derari.
I don't remember that now. So, country people, when I see you and I want buy fish for your hand, once I speak this language, you don't know say na my tickets to get 50% discount with that. May you not waste time. May you not say this show na Ibani Hour and na Nigeria LNG na bring her come give una on top 94.1 Wazobia FM every Monday and Thursday for 5 p.m. Now here we dey sit down tanda gidigba. Mokuna no worry. Una Lady J, she go come back. If like say 1 week you don't do,
I miss her.
When she come back, me I go my own. You go miss me too. As you know, Okuma won't give me wife. I will
you
go
wait
find.
Just come to come they find.
I go find for myself, for myself. We want to thank our producers them. We be Mr. Sheyi Oyeni, and also we have Auntie Brits. We done the help the torchlight all the matter.
She try. She too much.
Brits
too much. Too early.
We give you 3 bosa. Let's go. Bosa. Now here we go end the program today. Una don't do well. Una enjoy am. We say we enjoy our belly dey sweet us.
Ifuro belai, be belai, and so belem.
Amigi miema. I remember that one. Okay, we don't end this program if we don't talk say Yeminapo. I don't come again. Remind me again. No verse. Yeminapo.
Oh, Bagba.